Where are these cans at? What are you... Poor cats. Massive tree just been uprooted. Another uprooted tree. I'm coming up onto a farm place that seems to have gotten hit pretty hard by a tornado or something else. There's debris all over the place here. Oh my god. Holy fuck. Car damaged. Geese are out. Oh my god. I have no idea if anybody's home. The shed is just torn to... Holy crap. Alright? What's that?
Looks like out there.
Pretty bad.
Yeah.
You guys got hit pretty hard, didn't you?
Oh yeah. Wrecked everything. Wrecked everything around here. Who are you?
I'm in a skate truck. I'm just making sure you guys are alright.
Yeah, we're doing okay.
Alright.
Just destroyed everything.
I see that. Looks like your geese survived.
Yeah, they were in a pen. Yeah. I don't know if it's over or not.
A little bit more to go yet, but I don't think it's going to be that bad.
Would they clear out bills over there?
What's that?
Houses over there, they all go?
I have no idea. I came from this way, and I just saw debris all over. The trees are all messed up, and I just suddenly saw the farm. So I came up here to see if you're alright.
No, that tin come from somewhere. Shit blew my truck right over and smashed over siding.
Yeah.
Well, there's nothing you do tonight.
Oh,
Come on, Junior. Junior! He's just kind of checking things out, huh?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're okay.
Alright.
Thank you for stopping.
Yep. What's your name?
Bruce Roberts?
Alright.
Yes.
I work for News Station 2, so.
Okay.
Except I'm from Sioux Falls.
Yeah. Yeah, I destroyed everything. Yeah, there's buildings out back too. They're probably down the road a ways.
Yeah, I think that's where this tin and all that came from, because it's all wrapped around the trees out back there.
Yeah.
Well,
the house is still here anyway. There are a lot
yeah,
of,
that's the good part.
A lot of windows out.
I saw 2 tornadoes today. And I'm betting you got hit by one, or at least really strong winds.
Tell you, we'll just clean it up and try again. We ain't the only one.
No. I see there's emergency crews now trying to look for people.
Yeah. Seen ambulance about a bit ago.
Well, I don't think we're quite in my car.
Where you going?
Oh, yep. Another tree down in. Man, there's just damage all over. Okay, so we have a semi tipped over here, but yet we have a rainbow over here. That's messed up. Oh, and the sunset.